Hello viewers, once again welcome back in our new video. In this video we'll discuss on the important topic and I'm sure this topic will be important for everyone. So guys, as we know that during GST registration, Aadhaar authentication is mandatory. But there are some taxpayers who have GST number without Aadhaar authentication or verification. So those taxpayers should verify their Aadhaar number. So guys, today's topic is Aadhaar authentication for GST registered person rule 10 subsection B. So guys, in this video we'll discuss three main questions. The first one is what is rule 10 subsection B? The second one is who are required mandatory Aadhaar authentication? The third one, the important one, what shall happen if Aadhaar is not verified or is not authentication?
And students of AITCS, welcome to the AITCS official channel. In today's video session, we shall discuss about Rule 10B of CGST rule, which is also equally applicable for all states and UTs. So, what does the Rule 10 sub rule B says? This rule is basically related with the authentication of Aadhaar of all GST registered persons who have not verified their Aadhaar at the time of making application for GST registration. All who are related with this field must have noted that whenever they log into the GST common portal, there is always a pop-up which states whether GST authentication is to be done at this time or not. As there is an escape route, many of all us escape it without going for Aadhaar verification. So why we should escape? Whether there is any foundation for Aadhaar verification for them who has not done it. We can easily escape and we are not at present required to Aadhaar authentication, but there are certain conditions when Aadhaar authentication or Aadhaar verification is not done, the registered person will not be able to avail that services. So students, rule 10B states about the persons who are required to go for mandatory Aadhaar authentication. Without that, they will not be able to avail certain services. So let us start the videos. The important topic we shall cover in it, the persons who should not escape the Aadhaar authentication when there is a pop-up on the screen at the time of login. Basically, two types of services cannot be availed if Aadhaar is not verified or Aadhaar is not authenticated. So, rule 10 sub rule B, that is Aadhaar authentication is mandatory under two situations. First one, for revocation of GST suspension or cancellation, and second one is for apply GST refund in form number RFD01. So students, if Aadhaar is not verified or Aadhaar is not authenticated, then the registered persons whose GST number is suspended or cancelled shall not be able to make application for revocation of it. All of us are aware that if any GST registered person fails to file GST return consecutively for 6 months, then his GST registration number first suspends, then it is automatically cancelled by the system for non-filing of the GST return. In that case, the only way to revive that GST registration is to file application for revocation within stipulated period. But whenever we will go file for application for revocation, then you shall not be allowed to move further because Aadhaar authentication is not done. In this case, you must first verify the Aadhaar of the registered person, then go for application for removal of the suspension, that is, application is to be done after your Aadhaar is verified. In second case, if anyone wants to file refund of the ITC which has been accommodated due to inverted tax structure, or if anyone wants to make application for refund of export or in other category, in that case also, at the time of making RFD01, if Aadhaar is not verified, if Aadhaar is not authenticated beforehand, then the system will not allow to move you further. This rule is basically coming from Rule 10 Sub Rule B of the CGST Act 2017. So, before concluding the video, I would like to reiterate that whenever you log in and there is a auto populated on your screen for Aadhaar verification, please do it. Otherwise, you will land in a problem. So basically, there are two types of persons who are mandatorily verify their Aadhaar. Those who wants to make application for revocation of suspension or cancellation of GST registration due to non-filing of GST returns consecutively for 6 months, and another one who wants to make a refund in form number RFD01 under any category, whether it is accumulated ITC or export or any other, they must verify their Aadhaar. Students, hope that you have understood the topic. If anyone has any question, any query, or anyone gives some suggestion, please write in the description box. If anyone wants to take income tax, TDS, GST filing training with us, please write for the prospectus at the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thanks for watching.